Welcome back again to the channel, everyone. It's Momandprettyimisi here again, and today's video we're doing a very quick install. My hair has been washed and conditioned. Next, I'm going to be braiding it into 4 sections. Usually this hair is not going to take us nothing less than a few minutes and we are done. I just wanted to have a switch up in a little way. You know, over time I've been doing crochet, I've been crocheting my hair. I just wanted something quick this time that would not take much of my time. So if you're here looking for something very quick and fast, this video is for you. So I went ahead, sectioned my hair into 4 sections and started braiding each of those sections. Right now I'm on the last section. This is my natural hair, and the best way I tame my hair is to completely braid it immediately after washing. Next, I went in with Sappho hairspray. This hairspray is awesome. It contains so many ingredients. Next, I went in with Arbor Leaf scalp massager just to improve blood circulation on my scalp. So lovelies, this is the hair of the day. So this is half wig from IseeHair. They're on Amazon. The length here is 22 inches and the texture is body wave. The hair is super soft and coily. It is super fast to install, no big deal. And if you're here looking for how to install a half wig, I think this video is for you. It has its own clipper hook there. I think they have 3 of those. You can like pin down to your hair on 3 sides just to have a firm grip to your hair. And it also has a drawstring. You can adjust it however you want. Honestly, lovelies, this is super easy to install. So this is definitely like a lazy install, no so many details. And if you're feeling lazy, you don't want to do too many things, I think this is for you. Just put it on and you're good to go. And if you're worried about the edges, just grab a hairband and apply it on it, and that's it. You're ready. You are so done, and that's it. Or if you're an hairstylist like me who wants a step forward detail, you know what I mean, this next step is for you. So I'm gonna grab my crochet pin and also the hair. I'm gonna be pulling the hair from the edges, and using the crochet pin I'm gonna be tucking in each of those hair. Just pull out from around the edge of the half wig into my natural hair, just like you're crocheting the wig into your hair, just to cover up that edges right there. You know, if you don't want to see that edge around your hair, you can crochet each of the strands just like I'm doing into your hair. Pretty easy, pretty awesome, and it's gonna give it a different look. All right, lovelies, we're done. Next, I applied my gel just to slick down my natural hair and the edges around my natural hair to give it kind of like a natural look, so it will blend with the half wig. All right, lovelies, this is the final look after giving it a very good combing. Despite the combing, the curls are still maintained. I love the curls. I'm a curly girl. All right, I went ahead to apply a scarf because I just love the look. You could wear it without the scarf. This is just my personal preference, so you can wear it however you want. Next, I went ahead to apply mousse on the hair. I think it gave it a very beautiful shine and it was able to tame the flyaways. Oh my goodness, look at that coily looking gorgeous hair. The hair is cute. I also switched out my scarf for the headband just to give it a different look. So you have so many options of styling this hair. I've dropped the link of the hair on the video description. Go ahead and grab that link. It will lead you to IseeHair on Amazon. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and families. Until I see you again next time, stay blessed.